That lady, just get ready. She used to be the one who teased me. Be careful, you might be one of her collections. Just hide yourself before she takes action. Oh, 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 oh. She'll make you hard and show you what she's got. Oh, 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 oh. She'll make you hard and show you what she's got. I can't read her mind, I can't read her face. One thing I know that she cannot erase. When don't cover the light, it's her time to chase. She's a monster. With everything that I have in me, show me her joker face and ask for my money. Oh, she's so tough, she's gonna slobber on your gun. She'll make it rough and eat your every possession. Oh, 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 oh. She'll make you hard and show you what she's got. Oh, 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 oh. She'll make you hard and show you what she's got. I can read her mind, I can read her face. One thing I know that she cannot erase. When dawn covers the light, it's her time to chase. She's a monster. Monster. She's going out over my head. Oh no. She keeps on looking at me, locking her feet, hiding her feet. And now she's rubbing my horizontal stick. Oh no. I can read her mind, I can read her face. One thing I know that she cannot erase. When dawn covers the light, it's her time to chase. She's a monster.
She is a big fan.
Napanood mo yung kagabi? Si Sara Alonso. Ayoko dun eh. Akala mo sinong pumalubot kay Sandra eh.
In fact, she's his #1 fan.
Naalala mo si Popoy sa Sebastian? Si Trisha naalala mo? Si Trisha, si Basil Salvador yun, di ba?
She loves him. Sam Lloyd Pasquale, the #1 male star of the decade. What will happen when he comes to where she is? In a secluded place called the Castaway Hotel.
Wow! Ay, bongga! Oh, Maganda siya, di ba? Sam?
Ito pala chismis, no? Nandito si Sam Lloyd Pascual. Ang gandang lalaki sa personal.
Samuel Pascual! Samuel Pascual! Samuel Pascual! Samuel Pascual, oh! Uy, Makati na wala.
Starring Asa Segura, Ray PJ Abellana, Jason Gainza, Archie Alemania, OG Diaz, and Mercedes Cabral in Bad Romance, with the special participation of Janelle Manahan. Introducing Binny Binning Filipinas, Miss Photogenic Karen Gallman, and Mr. Philippines 2011, Francis Lopez as Sam Lloyd Pascual. Also starring indie film icon and Best Actor awardee Raul Morin, Best Supporting Actress awardee Flor Salanga, and some local and international co-stars. Bad Romance.
Nothing can change my love, and no one can steal my heart from you. I don't wanna see you cry.
Thank you, Lord! Alam niyo, pandesal lang yung hinihingi ko, pero hamburger yung binigay niyo. May fries pa!
Niloloko mo sarili mo?
Kita!
Mahal din kita! So why can things stay the same?
Please! Don't treat me like I'm your own!
She loves him.
Hindi naman ako basta-basta pumapatol ng ganun-ganun lang sa lalaki. Gusto ko yung may commitment sa yung pananagutan ako.
But he loves her not.
Ano mo, harap natin.
Big mistake.
Piping, hindi mawawala ang linya ng telepono. Kahit anong bagyo pang dumating dyan.
Ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Bata pa ako, ayoko pang mamatay.
Paano mo makakalimutan yung 3-month rule? Ha? Sa mula pa 24 hours.
Kami na.
Lumabas lang daw kayo dito habang bumabagyo. Malis na kayo ng Castaway Hotel. Hindi ko kayo masusundan ni Andrea.
Hindi namin kayo iiwan dyan.
Paano natin mabubuksan ito? Wala sa atin na susi.
Di ba may promise ka sa akin?
Alam mo, 2 times Star Awards Best Drama Actor ka eh. Ha? I-convince mo ako.
Magka tayo sa rooftop. Pagkatapos ng tawagan ng police. Nandito kami sa Castaway Hotel. Meron pa tayo ng nangyari with killer. Wala pa tayo.
Bad Romance. Written by Irvin Malcolm, directed by Ian Del Carmen.
door.
Po?
Lock the door when you leave.
Sabi ko nga po.
A romantic love story turned bad. From Bright House Productions, in partnership with Argon Vision. Bad Romance. Like us on Facebook. Facebook.com/Bad Romance Movie.